Okay, I wanted to show you all a quick way to coat your rims after you've cleaned them and they're still wet. So you can see how the water is moving around now. It's a little bit flat, like half beads and half flat. So now we're going to take the last coat and we're just simply going to spray it onto the rim surface. You can get inside the drum. Don't worry about getting it on the rotor. As soon as you step on the brakes, that's going to immediately come right off. So now you got it on there. You can see the water is beading pretty well even with the product. You're going to take a sharp stream of water. If you don't have a pressure washer, just use your hose with as much pressure as you can get. And then blow the rim back off. Then when you go to dry your rim, you're going to remove whatever remainder of the product is left on there. If you have a little bit of a haze or anything going on. With mats, you're not going to notice a haze as much as you would on a gloss rim. But simple way to get your rims coated and protected. Hope that helps y'all.